Okay, that's a very beautiful question. Sige, I'll start muna with the first one. In my personal criteria, just for me, myself, I think, of course, unang-una is the uniqueness. Kasi this is season 7, so ang dami nang nagdaan sa Pilipinas Got Talent, especially FMG has been here since season 1. And siya yung nagsasabi sa amin na parang I've seen this, ganyan. And kami naman bago lang dito. So, when I say uniqueness, it can be singing, pero parang your own flavor. It can be dancing as a group or dancing individually, pero ano yung talent na kahit na panoorin ko siya ngayon and 5 years from now, ito yung klaseng performance na hindi ko makakalimutan at saka yung klaseng performance na kaya ko siyang panoorin 5 years from now tapos ma-amaze pa rin ako. That's hard. Kasi diba, ang daming pwedeng kumanta, sumayaw, or kung ano mang acts na pati kami na surpresa pwede nilang gawin. Pero parang ang hirap ng performance na tatatak sa'yo and some performance na mag-represent sa Philippines, di ba? So it's really hard. And pangalawa siguro yung uniqueness and then of course talent. We're looking for all kinds of talent, kung ano man yan. And pati kami mga judges nasusurprise na kanya-kanyang talento ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng kalokohan na naging talent. Ang interesting niya panoorin. So every time nandito kami to tape, para kaming, akala ko medyo chill lang siya eh. Since nasa studio, pero it's draining, emotionally, all emotions. Parang lahat ng tao makakausap mo and it's different when you're up there and makikita mo siya ng malapit, yung mga nag-perform. And lastly, siguro, I'm looking for parang your passion. Just like us artists, diba? Iba siguro, if yes, you have a talent, but it really, parang iba yung nabibigay ng fire within you, your passion. So, nararamdaman namin na if you're just doing it for the sake of winning, for the money, or if you're just doing it para mag-trending, or pinapakita mo yung talent mo because you want to showcase world-class Filipino talent, then that's different. So, for me, a unique talent, then that's a champion. So, I'm looking for those 3 things. That was your question! Okay, so what's the first question? Let's start from there.
What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself?
Recently. Today. Today, the bravest thing I've done for myself. Jeez. Siguro, I don't know, I'm at the point I'm turning 29 right, in a few days. So, I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this, I remember when I parang gave a message for our Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mafe-feel ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman to talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Tony said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because, I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGP, pero may feeling lang ako na parang iba. And I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko na yung tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, ang dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom. But it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything right now.
The beautiful, the talented, the empowered queen, Catherine Bernardo! Hail to the queen! Hail to the queen!
Grabe yung outfit ni Kat.
Woo! Grabe!
Summer na talaga. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you our Power Judges ng Season 7 ng PGT.
Ayan na nga palakpakan natin ang ating mga judges! Our stories. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Mr. G.
Yay!
Sir FMG.
Hi, welcome. And salamat sa pagdalo.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Donnie.
Hello po sa ating mga press members. Promise na ako gusto magpunta dito. Ang ganda naman ng setup natin. Sa broad team natin ng PGT, maraming salamat. And of course, Kuya Robs and Ate Mels, we love you. Thank you.
We love you guys! Actually, kung saan po tayo nag-taping talaga ng PJT, ito po talaga yung area na po natin. No? So, again, maraming salamat to the front for giving us this setup. Thank you, Tony, and Asia Superstar. Kat.
Good afternoon, Robbie, Ate Melay, and sa mga minamahal nating press. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. And sa lahat na nanonood online, good afternoon, Pilipinas!
Yan! How about you, Kat? Mr. G?
Ay!
Oh!
Nagigil pag-press ng buzzer ang ating mga judges.
Parang nagmamadali si FMG. May laptop kay Ata. Boss, okay na po ba kayo? Okay na talaga.
Okay, pero huwag mag-alala mga ibang press natin kasama dito dahil kayo ang aming unofficial fifth judge. Kaya pumalakpak kayo, humiyaw kayo, mag-cheer kayo sa gusto ninyong acts. Pero kung ayaw nyo, sabay-sabay kayong magsabi ng buzz! Buzz! Sige nga, practice! Buzz!
Buzz! Buzz! Louder! Yan! Yan!
Yeah.
Ayaw niyo yung axe na mapa...
Talaga sa kanya, Catherine 2.0, na sobrang lovable and sobrang taking care to each other. Kay Miss Eugene naman, syempre siya ang balancer. She is the comedic, and she is the comedian. Basta
Yeah.
lahat ng mga comedian. The comedian. And siya ang aming ate. Tama yung sinabi ni Kat talaga na siya ang nagbibigay sa amin ng balancing, kung kabahan naman kami o hindi. Siya ang nag-lift up sa amin. Kung makikita kasi niya na pag kinakabahan kami, tapos gumagano siya, ay! Ganun kami. Sana same din ang mabigay namin sa iyo, Miss Eugene. Ganun, kapag kabahan ka, andito lang kami. O, gano'n din kami, ay! Ganun. Tapos
Tatakot ka ako. Hindi na
Dinosaur na pala ba? Oo. Si Juan naman, si Johnny is the very heartthrob. And aside the heartthrob, anong tawag dyan yung... di ba? May mga... Pinapahulaan ko yung 5 words.
Brain.
The brain of the... At ang mga technicalities, alam ni Donnie, na-amaze, minsan nga hindi kami na-amaze dun sa performance, na-amaze kami sa judge niya. So,
Totoo yan.
Oo. So, comment niya. So, si Donnie is the brain, the technicalities. Si Robby naman, hindi ka man judge. Thank you so much.
Actually, ako naman personally, nakita ko na natin lahat paano mag-host si FMG and si Donnie sa Magpasikat. So, I want to focus on our beautiful women here. And I was pleasantly and excitedly surprised nung nag-yes sila. Kasi coming in to the program, parang si FMG and si Donnie pala yung nag-yes. And when Kath and Miss Eugene said yes, sabi ko, we got a show. We got a program na sobrang excited talaga ako na kung paano rin sila magbibigay ng kanilang mga verdict. And si Miss Eugene has been, kasi lahat naman sila nagtitimon eh. Yung nagsasabi, may mga, everyone has their own moment and hear it. Pero si Miss Eugene, hindi lang siya patawa. Pero may puso rin. And si Kath. Kath is really someone you have to look out for this season. Grabe. She is not acting. She doesn't have any role. Pero yung role niya ngayon, isa sa mga aabangan ng lahat. Sobrang galing mo Kath dito. Grabe.
Yeah!
Congratulations!
The
sa PGT MediaCon. Pero ang good news ay apakalapit na ma-enjoy natin ang Season 7 ng Pilipinas Got Talent, di ba?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Lorraine. Kaya naman sa ating mga hosts and judges, pakiimbitahan naman po ang ating mga kapamilya, ka-A to Z at kapatid na tutukan na ang pagbabalik ng PGT.
Well, wait! Hindi ko alam kung well ba o well na ito. Pero for this moment of time, kantahan muna natin ang happy birthday si Catherine!
Yes!
Sabay-sabay, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish! Ayan na nga.
Happy birthday, Kat!
Happy
birthday! Love you, Kat.
Ayan na nga. Ayan, nakita-kita tayo sa PGT ngayong March 29 and 30. Pilipinas Got Talent Season 7 na po. Ito po ang pagbabalik ng pambansang weekend primetime habit ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Mga kapatid, ka-A to Z, mga...
PGT! PGT! Happy birthday, Catherine! Come on! Shout out to Sir Mark! Thank you, Ultimate!
PGT fam!
Sir Waldo!
Sir Louie!